Okay. Look, giant red bar. Now, look, I know there's a tail on that bar, but listen, we're measuring the color portion of it. The color portion of this bar is the biggest, fattest, longest red in a long while. All right? And it happens after pain. I like them to happen after pain because the pain portion of the equation means that that you're squeezing the bad hands, the weak hands out. They're squeezed out of the play. And this puts the nail in the coffin for them. Now this thing can go. It's free. All right? Bull elephant bar, you're buying above the high of the red bar. You're putting a stop. And do you see the first ad? Look carefully. The first ad occurred where? Right there. Red bar all by itself, not followed by another one. When does the high get taken out? Right there. There's your ad. All right? There's a second ad. If you want to take the second RBI. Beautiful. And this stock is still running. 20-period moving average trailing stop, you're still in. Okay? If you get a fat, giant, long green bar here, what would you do with that bar? Sell, right? My traders are taught you can watch the green bar because it can get bigger, it can get taller, but if you lose a third of the green, you get out. You do not wait for this thing to collapse on you. All right? Look at our bottoming tail bars. Look at the power of the bottoming tail bar. Look at the power of the bottoming tail bar. That's one of the 3 power bars. Look at the bull elephant bar. Look at the bottoming tail bar. Look at the bottoming tail bar. Look at the bottoming tail bar. They're all there. My traders are taught to put money into every single one. All right? So if they didn't risk all on this bull twin, they're buying on this bottoming tail, they're adding on this bottoming tail, they're adding on that bottoming tail. What's the matter with adding to a winning play? No, Oliver, we're supposed to add to losing plays. All right? No. All right? But this is beautiful. There is something about the no follow-through concept. All right? There's something about the no follow-through concept. Whenever something majorly negative happens, a gap down, but no follow-through, or a giant red bar, but no follow-through, get ready for the opposite move to be big. That is a tradable concept. Look at this bar. Big, giant, fat red bar. No follow-through down to the downside. Wow. Isn't the bull twin that concept? Big red bar. No follow-through. Even bigger green bar. Get ready for the opposite move to be big. There's something about the big negative being a dud that produces the opposite move. All right? Beautiful. You can't learn this stuff in a book. Not even mine. That doesn't mean don't buy it, but you know what I'm saying, right? You can't. You got to roll up your sleeves and you got to lose some money. You got to get in there. You got to try it. You got to scratch and go back to the drawing board. That stuff is your growth. It's like underneath. I got 5-year-old twins, man. We had a little project just the other day, and you've had the kids plant the little seed in a little cut-off carton, and they go to it every morning. They wake up and they go to it and they look and there's nothing there and they cry and they're upset. And I tell them, no. The miracle is happening underneath. You'll see it soon. You just can't see it now. It's underneath. Well, when this whole process of you going in, going out, getting stopped out, marking down, well, did I make a mistake? Was that just a regular stop out or did I make a mistake? Oh, I made a mistake. What mistake was it? Let me mark it down. All right, I got stopped out again or whatever. All right, was that just the market or did I make a mistake? Oh, that's another mistake. Then you start listing your mistakes and then you start tracking, okay, I make this mistake more than I make the other mistakes. I got to focus on this one and you get that one eliminated. All that's creating the miracle underneath. And if you do that with some guidance, see, the difference between retail traders that you open up an account with TD Waterhouse or TD Ameritrade and there's no one there. All right? You barely have them answering the phone. But the difference between that and Wall Street is that when Goldman Sachs hires a trader, he's put on a desk with a head trader. That head trader is giving that trader a portion of his account that he's responsible for, that produces his bonus, that pays for his kids' private schools. Do you think he's going to let that junior, snotty-nosed Harvard graduate come in and ruin his bonus? Heck no. That's the operation we have. You're placed under a lead trader that is going to try to work to stop you from doing stupid things until you get it and until you can go on your own. And that's the process. But there's something about this no follow through. So we're buying here. Do you see the ad after this bull twin tower? Single red right away, right? Boom, the high gets taken out. You're adding again there if you did not risk it all here. Now this is one of those almost bull twins. It almost reached its good enough. Good enough. All right? So let's test your knowledge here a little bit. Now, guys, this is an old slide. As I've told you, I've been involved in silver from $11. This is all public knowledge. Hundreds of people have been following my silver play on Facebook, and as I told you, I still think it's higher. But look at where silver was earlier. We added right there. All right? Why? Because it was a baby bull twin. Solid red, a no follow through. No follow through here under the 20-period moving average. A more powerful green bar where buy, stop, let this baby run. Okay? Look at this no follow through. Giant red bar. No follow through. You're going higher. Something about that no follow through thing. All right? Gold. Solid red. Pain. Solid red, followed immediately by an even more powerful green. There's your move to the upside. Okay? Solid red. No follow through, followed by an even more solid green. Buying above the high, putting a stop, letting this baby run. All right? Find the most recent bull twin. I'm going to help you out here because we're running out of time. Here you go. Solid red. Look at the pain. The biggest, fattest, tallest red bar on the chart experienced zero follow-through. Immediately reversed. There's your entry. There's your add. If you're going to add to it, your stops under the low, and you let this baby work itself out. All right? There might be some volatility involved, but as long as your stop's in place, you ignore that. Okay? Solid red. More powerful green. Kicked off this rally. Now, guys, I need 5 more minutes of your time. I want more traders. All right? I want to show you what your next steps are. First, become a friend of mine on Facebook, if you like. I answer every question. I don't want you getting this wrong. You can ask me anything. We'll go over it. I just want you trying to apply this right. All right, Facebook.com/trade for wealth gets right to my page. So become a friend if you can. All right?